baby. Go.
As far as you can go, sister. 20 foot of leash.
Come here.
Come here. Hazel, come.
Come.
Good girl.
Come.
Ready? Go get it. Come on, River. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. She's smelling all the smells. Wait.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to get scared.
Wait. Good girl. Good girl. Wait. Come on. Wait. Good girl. Come on. River Grace. Come on. Let's go.
Don't get to the
Good girl. Where are we going? Whoop. Hello. Come on. Lulu. Come on, let's go. Good girl. So many smells. Come on.
You should look at the peppers that like growing.
Harlow's going to the garden. Where are you going? Come on. No, don't get in Daddy's garden.
But I want his mouth.
Good girl.
I'm gonna sing
Hello. Harlow. Come on, baby. Lulu. Let's go. Come on.
This is the one we got
Wait.
pictures from. This is the one with that one.
Come on. Come on, Harlow. Good girl. Good girl. So many smells. So many smells on the walk. Where are you going? Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Lulu. Harlow. Come. Good girl. Wait. Come on. Harlow. Come on. Let's go. Go this way. Hazel. Where's Hazel?
How's mine?
She might be in the house. Rowan. Look. Come on. Wait. Good boy. Come on. Rowan. What was that? too bougie to touch water. You're a poodle. You're supposed to like water, right? Come on. Rowan. Come on. You want to smell it? Want to smell the water? You don't even care about the ducks. Good boy. Good boy. You're not going to touch it, are you?
No, buddy.
He still won't touch it. It's a rock. Come on. Good boy. Rowan. While we're on our little exercise walk with Rowan, I thought I would show the orchard that I talked about. The orchard that's on our property. Our house is over there. Our current litter of puppies is named after this orchard because it is the first litter we've had in our new house. So all their names, if you look at their pictures, their names are on their pictures. All their litter theme names are named after all of our fruit trees and fruit bushes like blueberries that we have on our property. We have blueberries down through there by the shop, and all these are fruit trees. Just like, yeah, no thanks. He don't care about those ducks. He don't care.
Look, so they're over there. Go. Go get them. Go get them.
Come on.
Bye, buddy.
Come on, Rowan. Good boy. Sit. Rowan. Sit. Yeah. Good boy. 20 foot a leash. Good boy. Yeah.